Hey y'all, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new series here on my channel. We are calling this a month of Sundays because typically around here we have a big breakfast every Sunday. It's kind of our family tradition. This is a collaboration with my girl SHAUNNA at the Dickinson Homestead and my girl TAMARA at Southern Wife Everyday Life. So make sure you check out their links down below, see what they made for breakfast this month, and let's get into it. Welcome to my Southern Farming Kitchen. So I've got a stick of butter here. I'm going to add some bagel seasoning. That's just the tones. We'll add that in there. And a little bit more of that Dijon mustard. Pardon me. Do you have any? You know the stuff. Give that a stir. And put it on top of my sliders. So cover them with foil, put them in the oven, 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. So I got my ham in here, I've diced it up. It's starting to come up to temp. I'm just kind of taking it slow. You're going to need some chopped broccoli because the smaller it is, the better. I am using frozen. It's okay, but you can chop fresh. I've done that as well. So I'm going to take a little bit of this out and kind of mix it in with my ham. So when my eggs are about half done, I actually go ahead and turn my heat either off or directly on low. I don't want it hot at all because I don't want to scorch them. But I just kind of push them around because I do want bits of the white. I love them that way. I don't beat my eggs prior to putting them in to scramble them. That's just not how I do it. You do however you want to. And I also don't care for them with milk in them. Unless I'm making like those egg cups that you bake in the oven. I think there's like from Starbucks. Those are really good. But when I'm just scrambling eggs, I just kind of push them around and have bits of the white and the yolk. Just like so. And when it gets almost done, I'm actually going to make sure that heat is off. I'm going to put some cheese on top, put the lid on it, and just let the cheese melt, and then it'll be good to go. This is really good and rather good for you. So I highly recommend it. I got some milk in my pan. I've added some salt and pepper. It's a couple of cups. I'll have the measurements below. And I'm going to add some quick grits. Just these kind, just like this. Not instant and not cooking grits, just the quick grits. I like it in the middle. I don't like instant grits at all, but that's just who I am. So I'm going to start whisking those in together. When it starts getting hot, you'll see if you need to add any water or more milk, whatever you choose to use. I'll add butter, a couple of tablespoons. Okay, 4. And let's just start slowly stirring them in, letting them melt. Alright, so when they start to thicken and they start to pop and simmer, keep whisking. Just don't stop whisking. Ever.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright. 'Cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels.
Alright, y'all, so just take your spoon, kind of crunch it all in there, stir it all together. Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you enjoyed this video today, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Make sure you check out Tamara and SHAUNNA's channel down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, my friends, and may God bless you.